Hello guys, I'm Roman and you're watching the follow-up video of XUAV1. Today I'm gonna talk about something I didn't want to talk so much in my review. I will talk about the boom prop mechanism. In my first video you saw that the boom prop mechanism is making too much noise, and this is because the spool gears from the motor is aluminum, and from the mechanism is plastic, and it is not greased. There is no grease inside, and that make too much noise, and also damage the plastic gears. I've talked with my friends which are better than me in mechanics, and they told me that the gears should be greased. So I've put a little bit of grease inside, silicone grease, and it is already much better. This is cons, let's say, from the XUAV side, because they didn't tell about it, and they don't suppose it should be greased. The second downside of this mechanism is that it is fixed on the boom through holes. There are two bolts here that is holding the mechanism, that these bolts are going through tail boom, and this prevent you from sliding the mechanism in or out to adjust your CG. Another user on RC groups, you may know it, Jan Davidson, sent me his version of boom prop. I have it right here. As you can see, this boom prop looks much bigger than original boom prop. I will call it duty heavy prop. It feels so smooth. It feels without any slope inside, and what's good about this, it can be slided on the boom prop to adjust your CG. Of course, for the XUAV1 you will not need to move it to back, because the CG is quite aft, but in other planes you may want to use it. It will you will really benefit the ability to slide the boom prop forward or to the rear. I have installed another one here on the plane. As you can see, it is belt driven, and of course, because it doesn't use screw gears but use belt, the noise of this one is much quieter. You will watch now in the video how quiet it is compared to the noise made in my first video review. That's about the boom prop. I will tell you about another feature I built on this plane. Is this bottle nose, I call it. It is made from a piece of bottle made by me to fit this nose, because the gimbal nose that XUAV1 supplied got damaged a few times. It can be repaired, but I didn't like it so much. This bottlenose is weighing about 20 grams, while the original nose is weighing about 113 grams. And for this one we had to adjust the CG by adding another 140 grams of raw weight here in the nose. Actually it is metal we add here to balance the plane. If you like this nose, I can share with you the STL files. I even shared them already on the RC groups, so you can build your own. It is a good replacement, and if you don't want to risk with your original gimbal nose.
Well guys, this is all I had to show you in this video. As a conclusion, I want to say that the boom prop mechanism of Ian Davidson is so much an improvement over the original XUAV boom prop mechanism, even it is a little bit bigger and heavier. As you saw, the plane is much quieter now and the vibration are less. Due to the fact of how it is mounted on the tail boom, it moves the CG by a little amount to the rear, but that will allow you to install a bigger battery in the nose. Considering there is not much room to play with the battery, this is just another benefit. And remember, you can always slide it on the boom so you can play with the CG without moving the components. Also, Ian's design uses a different ratio. It is 1.8 to 1, which again has a small benefit for the ones like me who flies on 3S batteries. Belt drive mechanism is also a pro because the gears will not wear out. Once again, I want to say thank you to Jan, who kindly offered to send me his boom prop to test out. Now I'm sure that what have XUAV tried to copy is a good idea, but not as a good implementation, unfortunately. Okay guys, if you like the video, please show me by liking it or subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.